What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. If you guys are looking to get your Jeep Wrangler built, get it lifted with new wheels and tires, you should take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have that 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to really help us raise it up enough to fit this bigger wheel and tire package. Unlike the JKs, you only have to use the 2.5-inch lift to lift it high enough to fit this wheel and tire package, unlike the JKs where you have to use a 3.5-inch lift. The tire is going to be a 35-12-50 R22 for your Country Hunter RT, which is more of a hybrid tire. So it's going to be a step down from their mud terrain tire. So you're still going to get the aggressive sidewall and the thicker tread of a mud terrain. It still have some of that capabilities of the off-roading, but you're also going to have the on-road capabilities and experience with the more quieter ride and a longer tread life. There's also other options if you don't want to go with the Fury tires, with the Native Ridge Grappler, which is a really good option that we highly recommend. We also can go with the Toyota Open Country AT3s, which is another good option. Down here we have a 22x12 Asanti Cleaver, which is going to be this one's going to be the machine or gloss black and machine face finish, which really, I think this one is more of a machine face with the gloss black accents, with the machine finish being pretty much the entire wheel with the black accents in between the spokes and on the outside as well. This one is going to have that nice concave look, so it's going to have about that -44 offset, which really gives it some dimension and really pushes that center of the wheel in and pushes that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it that nice wider stance. This one is also going to feature the open lug, so if you guys are looking to run spike lug nuts, this is a wheel that does give you that option. This one's going to give you a mix between like a really nice clean standout wheel, but also some off-road vibes to it as well, with some of the bolts on the outside of the wheel. This one does come in two different finishes. It comes in this one, the black and machine face finish, but it also comes in a titanium brush, which is a unique finish for a wheel as well, which is another good option. For sizes, you have sizes from 20x10 to a 22x12, so you do have a few options and a few finishes to choose from. So overall, if you guys are like this wheel and tire setup and want to get your vehicle looking somewhat like this one, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. But make sure you also check out our 0% financing options, so you go ahead and get your Jeep built now and pay later.